Aloha everyone!
I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
We are actually starting a new collection, although we haven't finished our molecules collection, but we are just too excited about this idea.
We will be working on this tall boy, which is not that pretty and painted, but stay with us if you want to see our crazy transformation.
Let's do it!
I removed the handles and I started by cleaning this piece with white lightening, Dixie Belle furniture cleaner and an abrasive sponge. Once I was done with cleaning, I rinsed the whole piece twice only with water. This is a quite shiny surface, so I applied 2 coats of adhesion primer Sleek Stick. I applied it with a paint roller as it's way quicker. We let it dry for 24 hours prior to painting. Our base coat will be super textured and I mixed Mermaid Tail with Dixie Belle Texture Additive Sea Spray. I added little by little until I've got a medium texture. This piece is made out of chipboard underneath this veneer, so I wanted to make it stronger, let's say, by adding all this texture.
For the second coat, we will use 2 putty knives and lots of colors to create a second layer of crazy texture. I started with Lani's Lagoon, then I applied Peacock, Pure Ocean, some Kudzu, but just a little bit. And I used the big putty knife to create the different weird patterns and to mix the colors. I used up and down, side motions, long, short motions. I felt like this combo needs a darker color, so I added some cobalt blue. Oh, this color is to die for. The idea is to overlay blues, greens on the top of the piece, and on the bottom red, pink, orange, yellow, purple. I also added a bit of limeade on a corner. And now the next drawers, where I did the same thing, only that on the third drawer I added more lighter shades of blue to create kind of an ombre. Now on the last 2 drawers, I applied orange, pinks, and I started with Florida Orange. And then I applied Flamingo, and I just overlay it with orange. The next color is Peony, this bold pink. And it just looks stunning in the combination with Florida Orange and Flamingo. Now let's move working on the left side of the piece again, and I applied Pistachio, above Orange, and I mixed some yellow as well. They just look gorgeous. These colors were needed there. I also applied Lucky Lavender and Amethyst because why not? And these are all the colors we are using, no more. Once it dried, I applied pink around the edges, lots of water, then using up and down and side motions, I faded the pink into those colors. On the left side, I applied Florida Orange, and it's really pretty. I love this idea of creating kind of a pink and orange shadows to make that blue pop. I forgot that I wanted to do some abstract marks on the piece, so I took an artist brush and did just that. I don't know why, but doing these marks, it's like really therapeutic for me, for some reason. And then I carried on with the last 2 drawers, but instead of pink, I added Mermaid Tail, and instead of orange, I added Peony. It's such a nice contrast. Then I took white paint, the stencil, and I started to write today's star sign, which is Cancer. I also created some drips underneath the letters. I watered the area, I applied paint, and then I tapped the harsh edges with my fingers. I started to write some of the Cancer personality traits, and I was so nervous handwriting. I erased the words so many times. Then I started to draw the Cancer constellation and the symbol, and we are almost done. I can't wait to put this piece of furniture in my bedroom. This is gonna be my forever piece of furniture.
I sealed this piece with 3 layers of flat clear coat, and I left 2 hours in between applications. I also applied Best Mama's Bata in orange groove on the drawer sides.
And this is the final result! It's for sure one of our favorite pieces of furniture ever. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crazy furniture tutorials. See you next time, bye!